Rian, quiet. Okay, class. So let's talk about this one more time, super quick. So on the top left, you see sinus bradycardia, and that is when the SA node is abnormally slow. So it usually beats about 40 to 60 times per minute. At the bottom left, we see sinus tachycardia, which means that the SA node beats super fast, about 125 beats per minute. And if you compare this with the ventricular tachycardia on the top right, it actually is produced by the ectopic pacemaker of the ventricle. So in this case, the ventricles are pumping super fast, and this can lead to a dangerous condition called ventricular fibrillation, shown by the right bottom picture. And remember, as I mentioned, the ventricular fibrillation can last few seconds, and then the person can die because the blood cannot be pumped to the different parts of the body in this case. Alright, so that concludes, one more thing. So if you are exercising, how does that affect the ECG? So remember, if you are exercising, your heart is pumping faster, and it's also pumping more blood into the systemic arteries. So the rate is faster, and if the heartbeat are producing at a faster rate, the RR interval should get shorter. So this is the R to R interval. So that gets shorter, and since it's pumping harder, the wave amplitude increases, meaning instead of a regular this, you should see like this. Okay, so the amplitude increases and the wave duration also decreases. So the duration of the wave is decreased because, again, the heart is pumping faster and harder. Okay, so know that when you're exercising, the RR interval gets shorter, the wave amplitude gets increases, and the wave duration decreases. Alright, so that concludes my lecture on the cardiovascular system. If you have any questions, feel free to email or just talk to me during our morning meetings on Saturdays.